Hello again, everyone. So I don't know if anyone else is having or has had or experienced issues of trying to do video processing with keyframe detection. So I decided to build out this application to extract the keyframes of a given video. The path that I found was best for me was to do keyframes based on pixel differences. That's kind of the gist of this. It just goes through, finds, makes sure that the keyframes directory exists, that it uses OpenCV to read the video and then do our frame by frame pixel difference comparison. And then if the difference is above the threshold, then we just write that keyframe to our directory and continue on. So here are the values I have. So initially I had the threshold set really low and I was playing around with it to see, and I wasn't getting any differences. So I started actually chunking it in 10,000, 100,000, and finally I got up to million before I actually saw high levels of differences in the keyframe. So that's just one point to notice. So what we're going to do is we're going to run through this video, and this is the video that we're going to be doing the keyframe extraction on.
I don't know how you did this in 50 years. You look at history. Who does this? Show me anybody else that has done this in 50 years. I'm waiting. Show them to me. This wasn't done by money. Money doesn't produce visions. Visions produce money. You've had leadership over here that were visionaries, great visionaries, and their vision was more about the people than the money, because you can't accomplish this in 50 years without loving your people first, because the people are the ones that's benefiting from this. Look at your health care. Look at your road system. Look at your highway system. Look at your airports. Who does this in 50 years? But who benefits? You're going to care about those people. There's something to be learned about what's been done over here that could be duplicated in the world, because there's people with this much money. You just don't have people with this much love for their people.
All right, so that's the video we're going to use to do the extraction. And so it's right there in the directory, and let's just run through and give it a shot. So it's still running, it's still processing. We're going to pull up the keyframes so we can actually see it generating. So at the end you see it kind of carries over, but initially there's the image of Steve Harvey talking. Then when it shifts over, shifts again, skyline, Burj Khalifa, Expo City, mosque. See, it just continues to go through and capture the moment that there's changes, keyframe changes, obviously in the video. So that's just a really quick, really high level solution for keyframe detection and extraction across the video. Thank you again.